Hello everyone. Hello. Assalamu alaikum everyone. How are you all? I hope I'm very well. And today I'll do the get a candy drops Bob token. Will be project review. And look at this token candy drop 150th candy drops X Bob and trade deposit and invite friend to share 4 million 3 lakh 4 million 3 lakh 47,826 bob. And CandyDrop is a gets candy airdrop platform where users complete tasks to earn candies and share token airdrops. We are excited to launch the Bob token, an airdrop event where you can and complete the following tasks: be earn and candle candies and share it to total prize pool of 4,3,47,826 bob. And thank you so much, Ahmed. Sorry, brother. I'm good, and you. And everyone, if you have any question this project related, let me know. Go. No. And within a maximum individual share of 10,500 bob, details are as follow. And first sport training full 1,4,73,913 bob, maximum 5,000 bob for each person. And number two, deposit full 1 million bob, a fixed reward 500 bob per person. And invite friend full and 1,473,000 1,4,73,913 bob, maximum 5,000 bob per person. And airdrop calculation formula: individual candy amount by total candies of all user into prize pool. And event period November 20 2025 and to December 2025. And booking fast spot trade price pool rules: user who's very fast spot trade on get with Bob achieving a spot trading volume 500 USDT will earn one candies. The total reward pool is 1,04,073 1 lakh sorry 1,04,73,913 bob, maximum for user 5,000 bob. The reward rules is as follow: and volume of fast sport and 5,000 500 USDT by one candy. And volume of fast sport 1,000 USDT with two candies. And the volume of fast sport trade 3,000 USDT with three candies. Volume of fast sport trade 5,000 USDT of five candies. And volume of fast sport trade 10,000 USDT of 10 candies. And deposit price for rules: look at this. During the event, user with net deposit 1,000 deposit and held for at least 24 hours and not withdraw. And with the receive candies based on the deposit amount, a total reward pool of 1 million bob will be shared with a fixed reward of 100 bob, and net deposit is calculated based on the bob price as the of time of deposit and cumulative next deposit equal one chain deposit minus one chain withdrawal minus redemption of charge research code and C2C sales, and any withdrawal after claiming tax will also be launched and in the next deposit data. And number two, invite number three, invite price pool for rules, and during the event for every successful invitation of one valid friend, and you can receive one candies with a maximum of 10 candies, and all candy holders will share a prize pool of 1,473,913 bob with a maximum reward of 5,000 bob per person. And not to qualify as a valid referral, user must register to the exclusive event link and complete 200 USDT in spot trading of Bob, and referral who have a and participated in other invitation and campaign will not be eligible for candy rewards at this event. Hello, this project introduction, and Bob is a build of the gateway to Bitcoin DEFI, unlocking a real utility for the world's most important asset by fusing by fusing Bitcoin unmatched security with Ethereum and Barzality. Bob creates the premier destination for Bitcoin liquidity application and institution. Bob hybrid chain liquidly combines ZK proofs and BTC stacking to create native bridge to both Ethereum and Bitcoin. And Bob's multi-chain gateway lets users swap Bitcoin into any asset or deposit directly into DFA across one 11 flat chain powered by BTC intent. And this token named Bob, and look at this official website and Twitter site if you visit this and go this link. And thanks so much, get users EFT5P. Welcome, brother. And note, look at this number one note. Participant must be click the join button, and but on the event phase after successfully joining the event, they must complete the event task and identity verification to receive rewards. Number two, rewards will be distributed to user accounts within 14 working days after the end of the event. And thank you so much everyone joining my live stream. And number three, it is strictly prohibited to register multi-small account and engage in malicious watch trading, sell buying, and self selling or any other cheating behavior. And multiple account of the same verified user will be considered the same account, and sub account are not allowed to participate in activities. Number four, market makers, enterprises, and institutions are not allowed to be participate in this event. An agent account cannot participate in friend invitation types activities, and while other activities are unrestricted. Number five, in case of any discrepancies between the translate version and the English version shall prevail. Analysis gate has the final interpretation and right for this event. User is restricted area cannot access all or part the service. And for more information about a restricted area, please read and look at this user agreement. And number 8, risk warning: user must pay attention to the fact that virtual currency trading is affected by various factors such as the market and policies. The market is highly volatile and price fluctuations are difficult to predict. Please be sure to pay attention to market risks and trade cautiously. And let's go to this token other information like get and get par did some similarly and list Bob perpetual contract USDT and get now offer the live end for Bob USDT perpetual contract and support 1x to 20x long short position leverage and selected the time of placement. It is similarly listed get for DX and note to manage market risk and optimize user experience. Get may adjust trading parameters such as a funding their stick size, maximum leverage, risk limit, and maintenance margin as needed. And if you this trade this option and look at this trade website and look at this Bob simulation trade now. And let's go to Bob token website. Look at this Bob token website, the gateway to Bitcoin DFI. Bob hybrid chain poses Bitcoin and unmatched security with Ethereum's versatility and unlock real utility for the world smart and most important asset. Look at the launch F and our vision and the premier destination for Bitcoin liquidity apps and institution and like Anchorage, Babylon, Bedrock, Link, Euler, Fairblocks, Layer Zero, Open Institute, Solve, and Uniswap. And this token to TBL 204 million and 6,80,366 and user 5,50,435. Transaction 39 million 2,24,325 and project billing on Bitcoin 120 plus and its volume $1.7 billion. And Bitcoin gives the opportunity of the dedicate 0.3% today. Just 0.3% of Bitcoin's market cap is used in true Bitcoin if we compared to 30% for Ethereum and 750 billion Bob mission to the close that gap and providing the safest and easiest way to earn and with your Bitcoin. And this token another learn the gateway Bitcoin DeFi and the version for both the gateway for Bitcoin DeFi, the Bitcoin remainizes and is here but still missing on theme. And this has been over the 2 years since the Bitcoin renaissance began with the launch of Ordinals and over a year since Bob maintained well life and and we are seeing a clear trend emerge. Every institution want Bitcoin yield in every chain, and the apps want access to Bitcoin liquidity. Layer 2s are pivoting from Ethereum and Bitcoin, and with major ecosystem from Solana and Avalanche to Cosmos are launching BTC DeFi companies, and Bitcoin is going multi-chain, and Bob is doubling down to lead the movement. And on Bob, the most secure, scalable, and trusted and Bitcoin DeFi layer, and powered by the top tier apps and institution native BTC bridging and Bitcoin finality. And look at this, that gateway to Bitcoin DeFi on Bob and any chain. And how Bob solved this challenge. Trust from Raft BTC to native Bitcoin in DeFi. And today most BTC DEFI is powered by multi-signing based Rafer, and this was not scale. Bob is solving this in two phases now. We partner with Tier 1 DEFI protocols and institutional to offer secure and reliable BTC yield products. And in progress, we are enabling native BTC deposit on Bob powered by Bitcoin stacking, finality, and Bit BM bridging, just like ETH and Optimize. It is still ETH, and BTC on Bob will simply be BTC. And Bob hybrid model secured by Bitcoin built for interoperability. The core of Bob multi-chain vision, a key insight. Bitcoin is the only major chain that can be efficiently verified by others. And Bob inherits Bitcoin finally proof is Bitcoin secure design. Bob is the best on Bitcoin DeFi. Bitcoin is the most powerful monetary set, and Bob is the secure multi-chain gateway that brings Bitcoin into the next generation finance. And Bob is a unified gateway from BTCFI. Number one, click earn button, and Bitcoin stacking, Bitcoin DeFi, and Bitcoin bulls all accessible with just one click via Bob Earn. And with multi-chain BTC DeFi, Bob Gateway provides one-click BTC deposit and withdrawals for 11 plus major chains, including Ethereum and Unichain Base and BNB chain. And get user 37, hello, welcome, brother. And native BTC via BitBM BTC on Bob is just BTC with no refer or custodians powered by BitBM and Bob Gateway SDK. Hyper Bitcoinalized you tap with frictionless native BTC deposit and withdraw via Bob Gateway. And if you integrate now on this option, click this option and cross chain swap native BTC into any asset on chain and swap back to native BTC on Bitcoin. And the hybrid chain fuses the best of BTC and ETS and EVM simplicity and built on the OFI stack with the native ETH breeze and the DeFi dApps you know and love, and hybrid ZK proofs roll up security via hybrid ZK fault proofs for the best balance between speed and cost. And real Bitcoin finality. All apps asset and transaction will be secured by billion in staked Bitcoin. And native BTC base BitVM delivers native BTC onto Bob while retaining strong Bitcoin security, no custodian, no refer, and access BTC from anywhere with Bob Gateway. And frictionless one-click movement between native BTC and Bitcoin DeFi powered by Bitcoin Intent and Layer 0 please and swap or stake BTC on multi-fold chain with just a single transaction and powerful toolkits for BTC interoperability. And safe and easy access to native BTC, BTC transfer verified by light client groups on Bob. And one-click deposit and withdrawal. Bob Gateway also allows you to swap back to native BTC from any connected chain. And modular and extensible. Bob Gateway has been designed to integrate with a variety of third-party and interoperability solution. Layer 0 is just the start. And go build on Bitcoin and deploy on the Bob and hybrid chain EBM. Built at the intersection of Bitcoin and EVM with a full EVM of code and compatibility using state-of-the-art developer tooling, analytics, wallets, and blockchain infrastructure. The Bob hybrid chain is built on the OFI stack and it is a member of the OFI superchain and access native BTC via Bob Gateway. Integrate the Bob Gateway SDK in your apps to enable direct deployment from Bitcoin Layer 1 and any connected chain. And number three, run a Bob hybrid nodes. Um, hybrid nodes are responsible for operating Bob and core infrastructure. Institution can focus on one or more key hybrid nodes rules and including providing the Bob hybrid chain with Bitcoin finality via stake BTC and operating the BTVM bridge and bridging native BTC and Bob. And join BitVM Access ACC and BitVM and ACC is a working group that brings together BitVM builders, Bitcoin business, and Bitcoin institution to accelerate BitVM adoption. And Lucy backed by and Castle Island Venture, Coinbase Venture, and Kathy Influencer, we Telegram, YouTube, and Twitter. Anesthetic and time locked, you both to qualify for up to 250% bonus token. And they'll get this token vision. Look at this, already discussed, an ecosystem. And Bob ecosystem discovered the most exciting project on Bob, the fast hybrid chain. And this token filtered by on-chain GM protocol, Artoshi, Interact, LIFI, Galaxy, and Transporter, Nobs, Interport Finance, Third Wave, Aleph Cloud Data, Tom Wallet, Swap.io, Marquee, Mimi Breeze, One Click, Layer 3, Gas DFE, Fair Blocks. And thank you so much. Good morning, John and Javed Dharal. Hello. Chala. Thank you so much. Welcome, everyone. And Bob the Gateway DFE. What is Bob? Bob is gateway of DFE, the easiest and safe way to earn your Bitcoin. And connect your wallet and bridge asset for Bitcoin Ethereum. Hmm? And execute your fast transaction and start earning yield with your Bitcoin. And important notice for get on refunds for certain Web3 Launchpad user instruction for user who Web3 Launchpad project who submitted the refund from before November 2020, 2025 and whose get spot account held sufficient Bob and the refund have been credited to your get account and please check your account balance. And if you submitted the form but have not yet received your refund, the refund may have failed for the following season. And there is no need to worry, and you may resubmit the form when resubmitted. Please carefully verify the following the ensure successful refund process. Number one, provide the exact Web3 address and use during the subscription. Make ensure the address you enter in the same address you use to participate in the project. Ensure your Get Spot account has sufficient Bob. Refund will fail off if you balance in insufficient. And confirm the UID is bound to Web3 address. Make sure the UID you submit in the Get account and bound to the Web3 address. And look at this Bob USDT. Bob USDT in the time market price 0.01553 and market price down and 35% and market price 0.01553 and index price 0.01561, and most of high price 0.0274, and low price 0.0148. And this token um, turnover $2.28 million and often enter interest 9.56 million. And this token market cap 29.24 million. So supply 1.83 billion bob. And if you have any question this project related, let me know, because my live stream very soon close. And bob token max supplies 10 billion bob, full daily market cap 159.35 million, and market cap, full daily market cap 18.35%. So guys, thank you so much everyone joining my live stream, and I will be back tomorrow inshallah. And it is close my live stream, and this project is very um, powerful and very important, and very soon this token project often. So everyone joining this project and event. So good. It's time to close my live. So Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.